Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to enable select to speak in your Infinix smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply click on settings, and here it is system. Then click on accessibility. Here it is select to speak. You have to enable it like this. And how you can use it by clicking on this shortcut like this. Then you have to select the text you want to read out loud, and you can see friends it is reading. And if you want to pause it, simply click on pause and remove it by the red button. And this is how you can use it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.